guys, in front of me is VIVO Y19s, and let me show you how to free up storage without deleting apps. So let's start with deleting cache. To do it, just open the settings, then find and select apps. Here enroll all apps and choose those apps that you use the most. Just start with them and then go through all of your apps to perform the proper device cleanup. Then click on storage and cache and mark clear cache if it's not done recently. Let me show you on some other app. Also nothing here. Okay, so here you've got it. Now just mark clear cache and that's it. So this is the first step. Then let me go back to your home screen. And now it's time to delete all downloads. It will also free up a lot of space. So what we have to do is to locate the files. Let's open it. Then go to downloads. Mark those files that are not necessary to you. Tap on the bin icon and confirm by tapping on move to bin. And that's it. Now just clear all tabs that you've got open in your background and restart your phone. To force restart, just tap on power button along with volume down button, tap and hold. Hold for around 10 seconds and then your phone will be rebooted. And now wait till your device is ready to use again. And that's it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.